Hey folks, welcome back to the Philosophy of the Matrix month. Today, we're diving into a question that's puzzled humanity for centuries. Have you ever looked around and questioned what's real? Like, really stopped and thought about it? It's a wild thought, right? The idea that everything we experience might not be as it seems. This isn't some new age philosophy. It's a question that's been around for ages. Plato, the OG philosopher, talked about it way back in the day. His Allegory of the Cave is a classic example. The mind-blowing movie The Matrix brought this question front and center, making us all rethink our reality. What we perceive as reality is shaped by our senses and experiences. But can we trust them? But what if those senses are being manipulated? What if everything we know is a carefully crafted illusion? What if our experiences are controlled by something else? Some unseen force or entity? That's a rabbit hole we're going to dive into today. We're talking about Plato's Cave and the Matrix, two iconic examples that challenge our understanding of reality. Get ready for your mind to be blown. This is going to be an eye-opening experience. So buckle up to explore two of the most iconic examples of simulated realities. Let's get started. Plato, that dude was way ahead of his time. He wasn't just a philosopher, he was a visionary who saw beyond the ordinary. He came up with this allegory, right? It's called the Allegory of the Cave, and it's one of the most profound stories ever told. Imagine this, a bunch of prisoners stuck in a cave their whole lives. They're chained up, forced to only look at the wall in front of them. They can't turn their heads or move around. Behind them is a fire, and between the fire and the prisoners, there's a walkway. People walk by carrying objects, and the fire casts shadows of those objects on the wall. The prisoners, they've never seen the real objects, only the shadows. They think the shadows are reality. Crazy, right? One day a prisoner escapes. He goes outside the cave and sees the real world for the first time. The sun, the trees, the actual objects. It blows his mind. He goes back to tell the other prisoners, but they don't believe him. They think he's gone crazy. They're so used to the shadows, they can't even fathom a different reality. Plato's point? We can be trapped by our limited perceptions. We mistake shadows for the real deal. Only then can we truly understand the world around us. By the way, this is the Philosophy of the Matrix month here on the channel. I post 2 shorts and 1 deep dive video every week. So if you're loving this blend of philosophy and sci-fi, stick around, there's a lot more coming. Fast forward to 1999, The Matrix comes out and blows everyone's minds. It wasn't just a movie, it was a cultural phenomenon that made people rethink their entire existence. It's like Plato's cave on steroids. We've got Neo, our modern-day prisoner, living in a computer simulation, the Matrix. The concept was revolutionary, blending philosophy with cutting-edge technology. He thinks it's the real world, but it's all a lie. Everything he knows, everything he believes is just a facade. He's jacked into this system, man, and it's feeding him sensory information, making him believe he's living a normal life. It's a perfect illusion, meticulously crafted to keep him oblivious. Then Morpheus comes along, offers him a choice, the red pill or the blue pill. This moment is iconic, symbolizing the choice between harsh truth and comforting illusion. Red pill, you wake up to reality, no matter how harsh. It's the path to enlightenment, but it's not an easy journey. Blue pill, you stay plugged into the Matrix, blissful ignorance. It's the easier choice, but it means living a lie. Neo, he chooses the red pill and bam! He gets a dose of the real world, which is a post-apocalyptic wasteland where machines have enslaved humanity. Intense, right? It's a shocking revelation that changes everything. The Matrix is a trip. It challenges our perceptions and makes us question the nature of our reality. Is our reality just a sophisticated computer program? The idea is both fascinating and terrifying. It's a mind-bending concept that has captivated audiences for decades. The Matrix isn't just a film. It's a philosophical journey that continues to resonate with people around the world. So we've got Plato's Cave and The Matrix. Both are about people trapped in a false reality. Both show how our senses can be deceived. But there are some key differences too. In the cave, the prisoners are physically chained. In the Matrix, it's all mental, a prison of the mind. They're plugged into a system, their minds controlled by technology. The escape is different too. In the cave, it's about individual enlightenment, breaking free from your chains. In the Matrix, It's about fighting for the liberation of all humanity from the machines. Both stories make us think, though. They challenge our assumptions about reality. They make us ask, what is real? How do we know? So what do you think? Are we living in a simulation? Are we just pawns in some grand cosmic game? I don't have the answers, but I think it's important to ask these questions, to challenge our perceptions, to be open to the possibility that there's more to reality than meets the eye. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This is a conversation that could go on forever. And that's the beauty of it. If this got your mind spinning, go ahead and share, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what reality means to you. And hey, the next series could be based on my favorite book, movie, or even a TV show. What would you like to see? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more.